Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loki here. Join me today as we test out a new garden tool. So let's go. I am always on the lookout for garden tools that will make my life easier and make me enjoy what I'm doing in the garden even more. One job that I do not like to do in my garden is cut back certain plants such as my Dianthus. The reason is I have a ton of Dianthus in my yard and it looks so pretty when it blooms in the springtime. I absolutely love it. However, as soon as the blooms fade, I need to come in and I need to cut them back hard. And in the past, it was a job I did not like to do. I would come in with either my hand pruners or my grass shears, and I would clip them back one by one. And a number of you reached out to me and told me there's an easier way to do this job using some sort of electric tool. Well, a company named SeeSii reached out to me, and they had a tool that they wanted me to try, and I thought, what better place to try out this tool than with my Dianthus in this flower bed. Here we are, it is fall time, and normally I would be doing this job in the spring after the Dianthus has bloomed. However, I was looking at some of the Dianthus and they don't look great because the way I pruned them wasn't a perfect job. So I wanted to give this tool a try when it comes to pruning my Dianthus. So let's go ahead and unbox and try out this cordless hedge trimmer. This is what the outside of the box has on it: cordless hedge trimmer and grass shear. The tool has a powerful brushless motor, 160 millimeter cutting width, 2-in-1 trimming and shearing. It comes with dual batteries and it has a precision dual blade. So let's go ahead and unbox the tool. I like the color of it. I can tell you if I was to ever misplace it somewhere in my yard, I would find it immediately. And here's the rechargeable battery. I'm noticing that all the products are secured and fastened very nicely in the packaging material. And this is the actual charger. Here's the second battery. It looks like we have some blade covers and then an instruction manual, a screwdriver as well as some screws. We have the blades as well as a blade guard. And then we have the hedge trimmer blade with its guard. Now that we've unboxed this, let me go ahead, put it together, and then I'll show you how it works. It was actually pretty easy to install. This is the hand shield right here that protects you from the blade. And there were two screws. One went on this side and the other one went on this side over here. The battery was inserted on the back of the tool. This part right here was removed so that the blade could get inserted, and then we put the black part back in. To make the tool work, you would press the button on the side, and while you're holding it in, you would then press the button on the bottom, just like this. I want you to see all these little sticks here. So even though I pruned this back, I didn't do a great job pruning it back with my hand shears. So now we're going to do a much better job. I want you to see how quick and easy that was, and it made a nice clean cut. Here's a Dianthus. It's a different kind, but you can see we have some sticks that are sticking up here. So you can imagine in the spring, if we had a whole bunch of these, we would do a nice clean cut with this tool. So let's try this one here. So much quicker, so much easier than using hand pruners. I love it. The name of the game is work smarter, not harder. I want to give a special thank you to SeeSii for sending me out this hedge trimmer. This is going to be a huge game changer for a lot of different plants in my yard, and I can't wait to show you in the spring when I use this on not only my Dianthus, but many other plants in my garden. I'll be sure to add a link to this product down in the description below, and until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.